Hello friends, welcome to Healthylivingfitter channel by Florence Straka. In today's video, we are going to make kale spinach and banana smoothie. This is very healthy. Kale has vitamin C and K, it has iron, and this is all good for our body and our bones. So we like to make a healthy smoothie that will give us a healthy benefit. And so let me put everything together and we see how it comes out. So kale, spinach and banana smoothie. It's gonna be delicious. So today our ingredients, we are using one banana, a very ripe banana. It's not too ripe. And then I'm using 1 cup of spinach, and I'm also using 1 cup of kale. This is freshly washed nicely before we use, so make sure you wash your fruits or any vegetables that you are using for your smoothie. And what I'm going to do, I am going to put this in here. You can see you can use the Kelly kale. It doesn't matter which one. I just love kale because it has a lot of vitamins in here, which is good for the body and hair and skin. And so it's good to incorporate this in your smoothies. It tastes good. It has just a mild. All right, so I put this in here, all in here, and then I'm going to just take my banana off. This is not too ripe and it's not hard either, but this is how I want it today. We're gonna get the sweetness from the banana to make the smoothie very sweet for us. And so just make sure you take all your strings off your bananas. I'm gonna cut this in here, and then what I'm going to do next is now we're gonna add 1 glass of water to our smoothie. Then I'm just gonna add. All right, so now I put everything in here. We are just going to blend our. All right, our smoothie is ready. I can smell the kale, then the banana. I'm going to pour this. This is really healthy. And you know, this has vitamin K and vitamin C. Kale has iron, which is good for it has antioxidant also. And this is really good for our body. The spinach also have potassium in it, and this fights infections in our body. So I like to incorporate this. This is really healthy drink smoothie to have. So let's pour this. All right, so I'm going to pour our smoothie. Oh my goodness, look at this. This really looks so delicious. Look at our smoothie, kale spinach smoothie. This is so lovely. You smell it also. You smell the kale and the banana in there. And I'm going to give it a taste and see how this comes out. Hello friends, so we just finished making our kale spinach banana smoothie. This is very healthy for you, and so I'm going to give it a taste. So this is not too sweet because the banana wasn't that very ripe, but you still have the sweetness in it. It's just mild. You taste just light of the kale. You don't taste the spinach at all. Just something light. It's very light. No aftertaste. It's very cool smoothie. Just make sure that you blend this very smooth because I can still taste some of the kale in it, residual in there. So make sure you blend this very smoothie, and that way you don't taste anything on your tongue like that. But this is really good. Kale has a lot of health benefits. It has calcium. Kale has vitamin C and K, and this is really good for our body. The spinach also has an iron protein. It has vitamins and minerals, and these are really good for our hair and skin. And so it's very good to incorporate this in your smoothie. You want to have the smoothie natural like this, and you can add other things to make it a little bit sweeter, but probably don't add any additive to make it sweeter. Just natural ingredients. You can add strawberry to this, you can add banana to this, just to make it a little bit sweeter for you. But apart from that, this is very healthy and it has great health benefits for us. And so try to incorporate this in your smoothie, and I'm glad I'm making this for you today to show you so you can make this for yourself as well. And I hope this video helps you in any way, and if it does, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like, comment and share. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below for me, and I hope to see you on my next video. As always, stay healthy, stay blessed, and try to drink healthy smoothies and healthy drinks, and I'll see you on my next video.